So he basically called the police to make himself a suspect.
On February 5th, 2025, a man called police after claiming his friend pulled a weapon on him. Few moments later, he pepper sprayed him, but the situation took a shocking turn when the caller himself ended up in handcuffs.
He might be leaving in that car. As I was driving down Main Street. This guy, he's probably leaving in that car now, but supposedly pulled a gun on him. He supposedly maced him. This guy, the other guy that was just in that house, walked over to Family Dollar. I don't, the guy that
might be part of that car right there.
The guy that supposedly pulled the gun. He's a bald-headed guy. Looks like he had like a green jacket on. This is him.
Yeah.
But I don't know if there's something that.
So this happened in the bar?
No, this happened right here.
Right here. Okay.
Yeah, it happened on Main Street.
I pulled in here. Someone called the cops, and he's walking by with the gun. If somebody, I have a camera on my truck. I'm going to see if I can get it off. But when he goes to pull the gun, so I got Mace that sits right there in my car. So I tell him, I said, "Oh, you're going to try to kill me?" There he is, right there.
Right, that's him, right there.
You're going to try to kill me? And before he can think, he went to look back down as he had the gun. He's like, went to turn. As soon as he turned, I fucking hit him with the mace. I figured if I could mace him, he can't see, then I could jump back in my truck and call you guys. Because I didn't know if he was going to try to shoot.
I can walk around the corner. He pulled up.
Where's the BB gun?
Over there by on my bag and stuff. I had the BB gun right here. Go ahead. Okay. Let me take these off and call my field something.
What's that?
What? Yeah, it's right back there by my bag.
Okay,
It's got my laptop. I come walking around the corner, coming home, and I've had beef with him he stole a radio, like a bunch of bullshit's happened.
Okay.
And I come around the corner, I'm walking, I got my remote control car right here, holding my BB gun and the remote to all my shit to bring it home, because I was over there playing with it in the woods.
Okay.
I'm walking home, he jumps out and he's like, "I'm gonna kill you, I'm gonna kill you. Wait till I kill you." And I just started jogging and he's like, "Well, I got something even better." And he sprayed the shit out of me I'm sure you could smell it. Sprayed my whole face and everything. I finally went in here and they poured milk on my face and...
Okay. Well, it was these idiots.
Road rage bullcrap.
I mean, they've got like a long-standing history, and they see each other out here on the street, and you know, allegedly the one guy pulled out a gun, and the other guy pepper sprayed him. So,
Right on.
For a gun.
we're just trying to see the video,
Yeah, you'll see it.
and then we'll make our decision from there.
Yeah,
So,
hey, it was kind of scary, man. I mean, I didn't realize, I didn't know who he was.
Well, you know, and his story is that you rolled up on him, spraying him, and, you know, so that's why I want to see the video before.
Oh, yeah, that's cool. Hey, man, I wouldn't be sitting around. If I did that, I would have just
He
kept
said he's got, I don't know.
I got a dash
Can
cam.
you bring it up on there?
I don't know how to do it right off. I have to take the SIM card out to put it on the computer. It's just one of them little, you can see it. I don't know how. But I don't know if it was facing, but I definitely know if you get that camera right there on the corner,
Yeah.
show exactly him pulling it out.
So we're just waiting to see if we can get the owner to come back here and.
Yeah, please.
So this video ain't gonna show you just rolling up on him, spraying him or anything like that.
No. I'm gonna be honest. When I went by, I saw him, and he was like, "Hey, fuck you," or something. Well, I didn't really realize. Well, anyway, you'll see me pull in here, because I really didn't give a shit. You know what I mean? I just come in and pick up them tires right there, because I usually let them guys know, "Hey, can I get the old tires?" They always set them right there, and you'll see them. They're right there. So, and then when I go to pull up, I pull in right about here, and then I see him just turn around and he says something, and he, whoo, pull it out. "Yeah, you got something? You got something?" And I was like, and then it dawned on me because he pulled his mask down who he was. I was like, "You little motherfucker ain't get the balls to pull." And then a car went by. I was like, "Eh." He looked as fast as he could look, man. I hit him with mace. Just fall.
So where was he at? Like
right there in the corner, on that sidewalk, right there.
from where? Like when you sprayed him, how far away from him?
I was about when he pulled, I guess I was right here in the middle. Let's try this again.
I hope they got audio on it.
And that's you were coming.
No, I was coming from this way.
Okay.
Down Main Street.
He was going northbound on Main Street.
And then turned right, coming
And
up
then-
here. And then that's when I seen him.
And he was at the corner over
He was
there?
parked right where he is.
Oh, in that white truck?
Yep. Like, he had a plan. Like, why would you stop there? He was there before I even came around the corner. I almost turned around and went back down this way and came around, but I was like, no, it's going to happen. I'd rather be on Main Street where there's some witnesses. Like, what the fuck? It's all over my coat, too.
Watch that.
Yeah. And then that's who I called my PO. That's who I was talking to on the phone. Because I already explained to her. I was like, he lives a block away. I know some dumb shit, you know, because he ain't letting shit go. She's like, well, just call me when you get done. Okay. I'm happy you told me about this. Yeah. I'm trying to cover all my bases. I don't do nothing wrong. You know what I mean? I'm not that guy no more.
Yeah, we all make mistakes.
Right.
It's just, if you learn from them or not.
And okay.
Looks like what you need.
No.
With you just a minute,
The dude in the Audi pulls up, sits there for a second. The other guy's coming from the opposite direction, hooks the corner. The dude in the Audi gets out with the can of spray, walks up behind him, and then sprays him. Like you can see, it's like a big whoosh. The guy in the Audi confronted him.
Yeah.
So he basically called the police to make himself a suspect. I mean, the guy's walking away from him the whole time. The guy comes up in the Audi. The guy in the Audi comes up from behind him. He doesn't go back to the car to get the can. When he gets out of the car, he has the can in his hand. And he was a good distance away when he sprayed the guy. Like, he followed the guy.
Thank you.
Yeah. The Audi guy pulls up in that parking lot, sits there for like, I don't know, probably 20 or 30 seconds, then gets out as the guy turns and walks up the block. The Audi guy gets out of his car and starts like fast walking behind the guy. Then pepper sprays. Now I'm going to see the final part of this here. Need to switch cameras. So the guy's still not even looking back at him.
Oh my god. Yeah, we're not gonna see it.
Well, leave it roll. I want to see if this guy comes running back. Yeah, and after
If he's seen a gun, he'd be running back.
After he sprays him, he walks back. He does. He's not even running.
Ain't no fucking gun involved, bro.
No, he didn't have no gun. That he pulled.
If I'll pepper spray someone with a gun, I'll be running back to my car.
No. He doesn't even look back. Like, he doesn't even look back at the guy, and like the guy's walking, like up on the sidewalk on the opposite side of the street, walking away from this guy. This guy gets out of his car and like speed walks up behind him. You know what I mean? And blasts him with the pepper spray, and then turns around and walks away, like slow walking away, like walking half the speed away as he was walking towards him. And I'm thinking, if you pulled a gun, and if I thought it was real, I'm running. Especially if I just pepper sprayed the dude before I saw it. So Audi guy's the aggressor, in my opinion.
Well, Mr. Gonzalez, we just officer watched the video.
Yeah.
And it showed you that you ran up on him and sprayed him. So
No, he had the gun in
okay.
his hand.
All right. Well, right now we're gonna put you in handcuffs right now.
I'm getting arrested?
Yes, sir.
Wait a minute, what about the gun? The video shows him with a gun pointing at me.
No, it doesn't.
You don't see him with the gun in his hand?
The officer I was talking to was watching it. He said, no, he never pulled out the gun and pointed at you.
Yes, he did. Yes, he
He
did.
said you approached him from behind and sprayed him.
From this camera there. Wait a minute, this is wrong.
All right, we're gonna have a seat in my car here.
That camera there doesn't show him pulling the gun out?
No. It shows you stopping and waiting for him, and when you come around the corner, you spray him.
No, no way, dude. Dude, I promise you that video should show.
Look, I mean, I can look at it too, but I was
Please.
just talking to the officer who was down there. I'm not gonna, and he
No,
explained
it
the whole
shows
thing.
that I got out of the car, he pulls the gun.
I asked him several times, did he ever pull a gun? He said no, on the video.
Well, can I get a copy of it to show
Well, it'll be tagged into evidence.
He was arrested and charged with filing a false police report. Aggravated menacing. All individuals are presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. This video is presented for educational and documentary purposes only.